Welcome to LearnCity. In today's class, we'll be talking about proportional division. Proportional division, where we'll be solving examples on proportional division. And our first example says, divide 1,170 naira between Bola and Bolu and Olu so that their shares are in the ratio 8:5. Where we have ratio of 8:5. So we have 8 plus 5 to be equals to 13. So 1/13 of 1,170 is 1/13 times 1170. Here is 90. We have it to be 90. So at the ratio of 8:5, Bolu receives 8. So that will be 8 times 90, which gives us 720 naira. So Bolu receives the amount of 720 naira, while Olu receives 450 naira. Olu receives 450 naira. Now, the second example today says, divide 299 into 3 parts in the ratio 1/3, 5/6, and 3/4. Here we have 1/3, 5/6, and 3/4. Where we multiply everything by 12, we have it to be 4:10:9. When we multiply 2 by 12, so that will now be 4 plus 10 plus 9, that is 23. So 1/23 of 299 is now 299 divided by 23. We have it to be 13. We have it to be 13. So at 4, we have it to be 4 times 13 to be 52. At 10, we have it to be 10 times 13 to be 130. And at 9, we have it to be 9 times 13 to be equals to 117. So adding this together, we see that we have 299. We have it to be 299.